Hola.
Hi.
I'm Mel.
I'm Liz.
We the Winstons, and y'all know we be tripping.
All right, y'all. Today we are taking a day trip to Nicoya, which is a bigger town than Samara. And we're gonna take you, we gotta get a couple things from over there that we're not able to get here in Samara. So we wanna take you along with us. Yes, yes.
See.
All right, y'all. So stay tuned.
We have a lot to show you today.
And we're gonna show you prices, things like that, and also the beautiful views because today is a nice day.
And you're gonna see some wild horses like I see right now. Hola.
Okay, y'all, so we are waiting at the bus stop and we had to get our bus tickets to go to Nicoya. These are the papers that they give you, your tickets. One ticket was 1,365 colones, which is about
$2.21.
so a piece. That's not bad.
Less than $5.
Less than $5 to go there.
It's about an hour bus ride.
Yeah, it's about an hour, and then same thing coming back. So when we get to Nicoya, we'll go ahead and buy our tickets. That way we're good to go on our way back. So
yeah, and it's an hour bus ride, but it's only like 20 miles, I think, away from here. So.
Yeah, because they do stops. They pick up people, they drop off people. So it's a nice ride, and it's a beautiful ride. So we'll make sure to show you guys
You're
the
gonna
views.
see it.
We made it to Nicoya. Say hi.
Hi.
What are we doing?
About to eat some sushi.
Where are we?
Kabuto.
Kabuto.
Kabuto, Costa Rican style.
We're gonna let y'all see what we're gonna eat. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And of course, we need a mirror. All right, y'all. We just got done grabbing a whole bunch of stuff. Laundry basket, trash cans, and necessities that we needed. And now we're gonna try to head back to Samara. Y'all, it is currently close to 2, and we're waiting for the bus to go back to Samara.
We tried to take a taxi and they tried to gringo us.
Yeah.
Gringo is like they jacked the prices up for tourists.
Yeah, and
They tried to charge us $40 to go back to Samara.
Yeah, I'm like, and we can ride for $5 on the bus. So I'd rather just wait, take the bus. So
especially last week when we came, somebody, we don't know who, but somebody was gonna take us for like $20. So no.
Yeah, so we will let you guys see our journey back to Samara, and we'll even record some of Samara when we get back. So
no, we probably won't because we're gonna get dropped off right by the house.
oh yeah, never mind. Anyway, I'll try to show you as much as I can. Okay, we're on our walk home. It's not a very long walk from the bus stop, which is a good thing because, as you can see, we got a lot of stuff. Fun fact, Costa Rica is one of the most, if not the most expensive, as far as goods go, food, electronics, things like that. So,
Latin American country.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Latin American country, my bad. And, so I'm gonna show you guys receipts of the things that we bought today to give you an idea of what we mean. And that way you can judge for yourself what you think about it. All right, y'all, so here we go. Let me show y'all what we got. Let me show you some of the receipts from today. Sorry if you hear the rain. It is raining at the moment, but let me show you. So this is just a few things that we got from the store. I know that we got some Tupperware from this place, and we got some incense, and a few other things. I'm not exactly sure. I don't remember quite everything, but this one came out to 7,727 colones. I will give you the conversion on that one. This one was the garbage can, spray bottle. We've got another, I can't remember what the other thing was. And then we also got a laundry basket, and that was 10,000 colones. And then in this one here, this was some miscellaneous products or miscellaneous items at this store. And this one came out to 3,600 colones. We also bought a mirror that was about 7,000 colones. And so this is kind of what you're gonna get when you get to Costa Rica. Like I said, it is the most expensive Latin American country to be in. And I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what that looked like. All right, y'all, thank you guys for watching. See you next time.